Is your website de-indexed by Google? Do not need to worry at all because it is possible to re-index it once again. Identifying the issues and errors in your website and fixing them properly can help you index your website once again on Google searches. It is important to use Google Search Console URL inspection tool properly to re-index your website, building high quality content once again to your website, and re-establishing backlinks to your website can re-index your website. This will increase the site authority on search engine and help you to increase the visibility. So the first step is to identify the cause of de-indexing. There could be several reasons like low quality content, duplicate content, spammy practices, security issues, and there could be a situation like incorrect no index tags. Using Google Search Console, you can find the errors on your website. After identifying issues, you need to fix them. Make sure to remove low quality content on your website and spammy activities on your website. Also make sure to address technical issues on your website. Fix technical issues like malicious code on your website. Due to this malicious code, search engines sometimes crawl your website incorrectly. This causes crawling or indexing issues on a website, which you can fix easily by finding out the main issue. Use URL inspection tool to re-index your website. There is a URL inspection tool in Google Search Console which you can use to re-index your web pages. You need to request indexing and it will be fixed. Make sure to encourage re-indexing through ongoing SEO tools. You can encourage re-indexing through ongoing SEO efforts. Make sure to submit sitemap of your website. Submit sitemap on Google Search Console. This will help Google discover your web pages and content on your website. Make sure to create fresh content, no AI content at all, and create high quality content on your website. Regularly update content on your website so that Google crawler will come to know that your website has a fresh content and it will index your website once again. Make sure to build high quality backlinks on your site. Make sure to acquire backlinks from high authority websites. Pick those websites which are highly crawling or they crawl consistently, so your web pages will also get crawled along with that. Make sure to optimize metadata as well. Make sure that your heading title, H1 title, H2 title, and meta description and meta tags are properly included. Also make sure to add keywords on your metadata. Also use social media to promote your website, and you can use all the social media platforms to put your web content pages and links. It will increase the visibility of your website and help Google to index your website once again. Make sure to follow all these steps, and in case you still face any problem in indexing your website, you can get in touch with me. I am an SEO expert and digital marketing expert. I will definitely try to help you. You can comment it or you can directly contact me. My social media and phone number is also given. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.